Welcome you all to the online class of Standard 3rd. Today our subject is grammar. Okay. And today also we are going to see the model 1, that is gender. Okay. And gender, we have already learned, yesterday we have learned this about the gender. Today also we will have, let us see, quick revision of what are the different types of gender and what is the definition of all this we are going to see today. Now see on the screen, children. First we will see about the common noun. Common noun or names given to people, places, animal, or things in general. They do not begin with a capital letter. Example, girl, park, cat, ball. So, we'll see the next one. See the example. This is a boy. Boy is the common noun. This is a dog. Your dog is a common noun. This is a fort. So, fort is a common noun here. Now, see the next. This is a car. Your car is a common noun. Now, mostly whatever common nouns we have seen, you can see the name over here. Common nouns. The boy, that will go under the person. The dog, that common noun will go under the animal. And the fort, that will go under the place. And the car, that is a common noun. This will go under the thing. So, the boy, the dog, the fort, car, all are common noun over here. Now, we'll see the next. Now, proper noun means what? Proper noun or special names given to people, places, animals, or things. They always begin with a capital letter. Example, Swati, India, Bruno, and Monday. So, any proper noun you see, it always begins with a capital letter. Next, now, you can see the example of proper noun. This is Jimmy. See the spelling of J, it is written in capital letter. This is Ginger. See the name of the animal, and the name of the animal is Ginger. So you can see here the name of Ginger, G is written in the capital letter. This is the red fort. So you can see the picture of this red fort, and the name of that, you see that it is written in the capital letter. Now, this is a Honda City. So see the name of this, it is written in the capital letter Honda. Now next, so this whatever we have seen, all this will go under this proper nouns. That a specific name is given for all this, that is, name of the person is Jimmy, name of the animal is Ginger, name of the place Red Fort, and name of the car is Honda City car. So this all specific name, this all will go under the proper nouns. Now, just we have a quick revision of yesterday we have seen all this. Today also I am going to explain to you all what is gender. Gender means the fact of being male or female or particular classes into which nouns, pronouns, and adjective are divided is known as gender. Gender has some relation to nouns. Okay, begin male or female. Next one, Now we will see there are 4 kinds of gender. First one is masculine gender. Second one is feminine gender. Third one is the common gender, and fourth one is the neuter gender. So first, masculine gender, and we will see with the definition and the examples. Okay, masculine gender. Just see on the screen, children. A noun that refers to a male is said to be of the masculine gender. That is male. A noun that refers to be a male is said to be of the masculine gender. You can see the example over here: brother, uncle, king, horse, etc. Now, this man, boy, king, lion, grandfather, Superman, and bull all will go under this masculine gender. Okay, now we will see about the feminine gender. And noun that refers to a female is said to be of the feminine gender. For example, sister, aunt, queen, maid, etc. Now we will see some example on it. On this gender: woman, girl, queen, lioness, grandmother, superwoman, and cow. So these all will go under the feminine gender. Now next one we will see the common gender. Okay. A noun that refers to either a male or a female is said to be of the common gender. For example, student, teacher, friend, child. Now you see example on it. So here you can see grandparents. You can see the picture of friends, driver, school bus driver, teacher. You can see a madam and a sir. So this will go under teacher. So neuter gender means what? That we will see now. A noun that refers to a thing without life, neither male nor female, is said to be of the neuter gender. That is book, table, doll, room. This will go under the neuter gender. That means all non-living things. This will go under this neuter gender. Now let's see some example on this neuter gender. Computer. You can see the picture of the computer. Books. How many books you can see here? 7 books. Table. Then what do you see? A doll. Beautiful doll. Car. So all these will go under which gender? Neuter gender. Okay. Now children, we have seen all the 4 types of gender. That is masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, and neuter gender. So now let us solve an exercise on it. Okay, so just see on the screen. Now, your children, here you can see some words up. Okay, so what you have to do, here all the nouns they are given according to gender, and what you have to do, you have to read the word that is given up. So in the box you can see different noun. Okay, that is I'm reading computer, artist, nephew, man, lioness, bridge, hen, book, child, wife, landlord, relative. So these are the words you can see. Okay. So these words you can see, no? So mostly now, so all these words you have to sort out into this. Whether the first one you see computer. So computer is a, which gender it will go? This is a non-living thing. So it will go under the, you can see where they written this computer, neuter gender. Computer will go under the neuter gender. Okay. You can see the word computer here. Neuter gender it will go. Then man. See children, man. After computer, you can see the word man, M-A-N, man. So man, it will go under which one? Man will go under male gender. So it will go under the masculine gender. So you can see the word man here, M-A-N, man, in the column of masculine. Now, hen. Will go under which gender? Lioness will go under which gender? Okay. Lioness will go under, where you see this lioness? You can see the word in the feminine gender. Yes, L-I-O-N-E-S-S, lioness. You can see this word lioness in the feminine gender. Now, after lioness, which word you see? Come on. Book. B-O-O-K, book. Now, book. Book means it's a non-living thing, book. So, book will go under which gender here? Yes, book is a non-living thing. So, book is a non-living thing. Book will go under the neuter gender. You can see the noun book over B-O-O-K. It is written in the neuter column. Okay. Because it is a non-living thing. So, all non-living thing is there. So, all non-living thing you have to write under the neuter column. Okay. Now, next one. After book, you can see the word landlord. You can see the word landlord. Okay. Landlord, you can see the word landlord. Okay. So, this landlord will go under which gender, children? Landlord. Come on. Landlord. This will go under male or female gender. This will go under the male gender. Okay. So, this you have to write under the masculine column. Masculine gender column is there. There you can see the word landlord. Okay. L-A-N-D, Lord. L-O-R-D, landlord. Now, next word, you can see the word nephew. Yes, nephew. Now, this will go under which gender? It will go under your, please keep your, rotate your mobile and keep. So children, you can see the screen properly. Okay. Rotate your mobile and keep, you can see the screen properly. Now, nephew. Now see children, the nephew, this nephew will go under which gender? First you have to think, it will go under male or your female. Yes, the male, so it will go under the masculine gender. Okay, now next you see the word bridge. Here you can see the word bridge. So bridge means a non-living thing. Yes, this non-living thing will go under the neuter gender. You can see bridge spelling in the neuter column. Yes, you can see the word B-R-I-D-G, bridge. Okay, and next word, you can find the word child. Child. Yes. Now, child means it will go under Which gender? It's a common gender. So you have to write it in the common noun column. Okay, child. Eighth one, you can see child. C-H-I-L-D, child. Okay. Now, which word is left now? Relative. The last one, relative. So this relative will go under the common noun. Okay, common gender. So you can see in the common, you can see the word relative. Okay, relative, it will go under the common one. So children, here we have seen the words that we have sorted out the words according to the gender, that is masculine gender, feminine gender, common and neuter gender. Okay, now here once other exercise we are going to see today here. Now what you have to do, children, you have to read the sentences and complete the table. Okay, here what they have given us, they have given us a one paragraph. Just see the paragraph I am reading. Yes, Reena plays in the park. She is an active girl and wants to be a sports person someday. Her friend Rahul calls out to her and asks her to give him her toy. So I have read this. So here you can find out some proper noun. You can find out some common nouns and the gender also you have to find out. So the first one, the first sentence I'm reading, see it up one. Reena plays in the park. So Reena. Okay, Reena, before that, Reena plays in the park. And so in the first one, Reena will go under the proper noun. This is the name of the girl. Okay. The next one you see. And park. Park means it will go under the common noun. Okay. The name of the park is not given here. So only park. It may be any park. So the park will go under the common noun. Then she is an active girl and wants to be a sport person someday. So here, which is the common noun here? Girl. Girl will go under the common noun. And see children, sports person. The name is not given, the name of the sports person. It is a common. So this will go under the common noun. The common noun column, you have to write this sports person. Then someday, her friend. So friend means it may be a male or female. This one, any it may be, no. So it will go under the common noun. Then Rahul calls out to her and asks her to give him her toy. Now Rahul is the name of the boy here. Okay, so this is a name of a boy specified here. So Rahul will go under the proper noun. Okay, and ask her to give him her toy. Toy is the common noun. Okay, and see children, the gender we have not seen. Now Rahul, you can see the proper noun, common nouns, and the third column is the gender. Okay, in proper noun, you can see this word Rahul. And Rahul will go under which gender? Rahul, name of a boy. So this will go under the masculine gender. Okay, this you have to keep in the mind. Any boy or your father, all these will go under masculine gender. Now, see the second one, Reena. In the paragraph Reena, we have written it in the proper noun. Yes. And common noun, girl. So Rina will go under which gender here? Rina, a girl. Okay, female gender, this gender. So this will go under feminine gender. Name of a girl, Rina. So the gender, you have to write that feminine gender. Okay, now after girl, you can see some. Which word you can see here, children? Yes, park and toy, that we have written under the common noun. Yes, that means park and town. This will go under the neuter gender. And the fourth one you see, sport person and friend. This will go under the common gender. Okay. So from this paragraph, this one we have learned how to sort out the proper nouns, common nouns, and how to find out the gender also. Okay. Now, dear children, you can see some pictures. Okay. Now what you have to do? What you have to do? Just see this picture. Just we have to see this picture. Okay. And here they have given us the word picnic. They have given us the word picnic. So by seeing this picture, what you have to do? You can, any sentences you can frame on this word picnic, but by seeing the picture. Okay, by seeing the picture, you can see two children, they're on the picnic spot on the beach. You see the picture. So we have to frame our own sentences. Okay, we went on to the picnic to the beach. Or you can frame other sentence also. We went on a picnic to the anywhere you can write. Okay, now second one. What you see in this picture? Father is helping the boy to run the cycle, do cycling. Yes, he's supporting. So to this word support, how we will make use in sentence of this word support? Yes, see the picture. The man supports the boy as he cycles. Okay, the man is supporting the boy as he cycles. Okay, now here you can see cousins. Okay, you can see the picture of children. So by seeing the picture, you can write any use in sentences. I met my cousins yesterday. Okay, now see the next one. You can see many children. They are playing together and they are working. So they work together. You see in this picture, they all are working together. Now listen. My grandmother listens to my stories. Now children, now we will see the next one. Now I'm going to show you some pictures. Some picture I'm going to show you. Okay, only see this picture. Just see this picture. What you see in this picture, children? You can see, how many children can you see in this picture? There are two children in this picture and they are playing some game. Yes. Which game they are playing? They are playing some game. That is, they are playing badminton game. Yes. And they are wearing dresses also. They are not wearing same. They wear different dresses their own. Okay. So that all, by seeing this picture, we will filling the blanks. Okay. Now. Okay. Just listen to me. There are children in the picture. Count the children, count. 1, 2. See the picture properly. So, you can find two children. There are two children in the picture. You can see two children? Yes. Now, second one, I'm just telling you, listen to me. And answer you have to keep in your mind. Okay. Now, there are Yes, they are playing which game, children? Yes, see the game, what they are holding in the hand. They are playing badminton game. Yes. You all like to play badminton game, no? Yes. Now, see the, okay. Now, third one you see, third one. They look very dash. How and dash. How they are looking while playing the games? See the faces, how they are looking? They're looking sad? No, they are very happy and excited. Happy means they are very happy to play the game of badminton and excited that they should not get out. Follow that way. Now, fourth one. See the fourth, I'm asking you, just keep the answer in your mind. They are dash in your dash. They are, what are they doing? They are running or they are playing? Yes, they are playing in the park. Okay, they are playing badminton in the park. Okay, now fifth one you see. Fifth one of them is wearing a dash. See children, here you can see. Okay, what is the boy wearing? You can see a boy wearing t-shirt with a star on it. Yes or no? Yes, white star. Can you see children? Can you see? Yes. And so what is the other boy wearing? And the what is the other girl wearing this? Girl? Yes, girl. You can see the girl, what she is wearing, children? Girl. She is wearing a top and a skirt. Okay, girl picture you can see. She is wearing a top and a skirt. Okay, now just I'm repeating this question. Only you will say the answer. You will tell. Okay, children. Okay. There are children in this picture. How many children? 2 children. Good. Now, second one. They are playing. Which game they are playing? They are playing badminton. Third one. They look very dash and dash. They look very happy and excited. Now, fourth one. They are, what they are doing? They are playing in the park. Okay. Now, fifth one. One of them is wearing a t-shirt with a star on it. And the other boy is wearing a top and other girl is wearing a top and a skirt. Okay, girl. Yes. Now, okay. Okay, children. I hope you have followed today's the topic, that is the gender. Okay. Now, that is we have seen about, there are 4 types of gender we have seen. And today we have solved some exercise on this, that is the masculine gender, feminine gender, common and neuter gender. Okay. And we have seen about the common nouns and the proper nouns. Okay. Now see children, I will ask you some questions. You will write on the chat box. Okay. Okay, children. Now, see in short only you write. Now, I will say the word. If it is a masculine gender, you write only M. And if it's a feminine gender, only write F. Okay? Yes? Only you write M and F. Okay. We will start now. Girl. Girl, you will just write the gender. Which gender is this?
Good.
Very good. Good. Very good.
Good.
Good. Good. Very good, children. Very good. Yes. Good. Good. Very, very good. Very good.
Okay, next.
Okay, great. Now, children. Great. Okay, now next one. Come on, next one now. Okay. Now, children, next one, listen to me. Come on. Father. Father. Father.
Good.
Very good.
Nearly good. Archie good.
Very good, children. Very good.
Art good.
Very good. Yes, good. Very good, children. They are responding very nice. Good. Good, yes. Okay, now we will see the very good, good, good. Okay.
Neutral and common gender.
Okay. Now see, children. Yes.
Grandfather. Grandfather.
Okay. Now listen to me.
Grandfather.
Yes. Now grandfather. Now children, I am saying grandfather will go under which gender? Grandfather.
Good.
Very good.
Purvi.
Very good. Okay. Yes.
Purvi.
Okay. 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 Yes. Okay, children. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Yes.
Runali, I'm not asking about noun. I'm asking about gender.
Runali,
Runali,
I'm not asking about the noun. I'm asking about the gender. Okay. Runali.
Grandfather will go under masculine gender.
Okay. Grandfather will go under the masculine gender. Okay. You have written about the noun. Yes. Very good. Good. Okay, correct. Very good, children. Very good. Yes. Now we will one more. Listen to me now. Okay. Uncle. Uncle will go under which gender, children? Uncle. Uncle. Very good. Yeah, very good. Very good, children. Yes, good. Purvi.
Uncle will go under male.
Uncle will go under Purvi, male.
You are written female.
You are written female. That is wrong. Okay. Purvi. Okay. Okay. Uncle will go under the which gender? Uncle? Masculine gender. Uncle will go under masculine gender. Okay, children? Yes? Okay, okay. Now, children. Okay. Hope, children, you all have followed this lesson today, the gender. Okay? So, bye. Thank you. Take care. Have a nice day. Thank you. We will meet tomorrow. Okay, children? Yes, bye. Bye, children.